Hello, and I'm going to try again. This is like the 8th time or so. Set it, falling apart crazy. Yeah. Okay, so, like, all the videos, yeah. I decided to do it set like this. So you guys can see bottom when like doing battles and stuff. So pick it up and do it like that. But for now, just put it up there. So here I got my mud kip, which is what I chose. Oh, you can't see all of it, can you? I guess. There we go. Actually, you can see bomb screen. And I'm gonna go pick up the Power Save fake Wonder Card one. It's not the real Wonder Card now. It's just the fake Wonder Card. It's not gonna be level 50. It's only level 10. Of course, I have to go through that one, and I found Pokemon. Or just should I kill it? No, I'm not doing that. I will probably die in a minute. I'm just gonna run. I hope no one battles me. Oh yes. Whoa. Stop it! I hate this. And of course, some arrow. Oh man, that's good. It's all focusing, guys. Yeah, you could just pause if you want to see dialogue out. I went through it like 8 times before I did YouTube style. Yeah. See, and yeah, I told you I got Hoopa, guys. Yeah. It's level 10, like I told you. And there's these moves, confusing, it's only a target move. But those are like Destiny Bond in case I need it. Which I'm going to need it because, yeah, that's how I do. I'm of course going to switch that to front. So, yeah, you can see my fingers here. Sorry. My sister's recording with the iPod and I'm using iPhone.